ladies, let's go ahead and get started. I just want to do some makeup. I'm about to film my Sephora haul, but I wanted to, you know, be presentable or whatever. So let's go ahead and do our makeup. I have no idea what I want to do, but I do want to play in this P. Louise Blend Away 2022 palette that I just picked up. And then here's what it looks like. What I do want to do is, of course, I prime my face first. For some reason, I have the tiniest amount of Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I'm going to use that. And that's still not it. This primer, one thing I can say about this primer, it lasts a long time. Absolute long time. I have had that in my kit and everything, and it has lasted a long time. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. Let's take the KVD Super Brow, 24-hour Super Brow. This is in the shade Walnut. I really like this brow pomade. And when I say a little bit goes a long way, a little bit goes a long way, and it don't dry out fast. I'm gonna take the Loreal Infallible concealer in the shade Honey. And I'm gonna use that to carve out my brows. I'm gonna go into this shade Winging It, because that's what we're doing. It's like a brown. You know, I like to start with the browns. And I've been going straight in, swiping. And girl, you need to pat this shade into your lid, sis. Please. I kind of want to do a halo eye today. I haven't done that in a while. It's either halo eye, smoky eye, neutral eye. Like, we're gonna go into this like maroon shade. It's called Moving Up. Ooh. P. Louise eyeshadows, y'all. If y'all watch my vlog channel, y'all saw me do a haul on all this stuff. She had a really good like bundle deals. They're amazing. And I'm pretty sure she's gonna have Black Friday sales. I always miss out on her Black Friday sales, but I will not this year. Cause her eyeshadows are just fire. Look at it. Baby, play with somebody else and not me, okay? I'm gonna bring that color right here in the inside. Cause we're gonna keep deepening it up, okay? Yeah, this is a little bit more tapered. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna take the deep shade. It's like a deep burgundy. I'm sorry, y'all. It's called Let It Go, which is right there. It's just hard for me to bring this big old palette up and show y'all, so I can't do that every single time. I'm going to take this more tapered brush by Morphe in the Jaclyn Hill collection. Is that brush over there? I'm going to take this JH50 from the Morphe and Jaclyn collection. I'm going to take this really deep purple. It's called Bye Babe. And we're going to put that the outer and inner portion of our eye. And just slightly move it in, but not like all the way. I like that because it's not black. It's like a really deep, plummy purple. It's beautiful. I'm going to take this P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 2. I have the big one because we do big things over here. You know what I'm saying? Corny. I'm going to put that on the center of my lid. Because we're basically just trying to create a halo effect, like a spotlight eye. And you want to do it high enough to where you can see it when you open your eye, but not like too high. I'm literally just putting it right in the center. Can you see that? And then I'm going to take that last brush I had and just pat it on the outer and inner portion. You want to break up that harsh line right there. And then I'm going to go on with my first brush, blend my edges. I kind of want to bring that shade up a little bit more to where it's like right in my freaking crease. It's in there, but I want it like smack dab in the middle of my crease. I like it. It's cute. It's giving cute. I'm just blending the edges out. So I'm gonna do a different kind of technique. Let's do some underpainting, and then we'll like put foundation wherever we need to put it. We'll put concealer where we need to put it. This is the Soul Bronzer, Cream Bronzer in Deep Dark. I'm gonna put that everywhere that I want to bronze. And it's normally the perimeter of your face. Normally. Hollows of your cheek, forehead, jawline, stuff like that. Then we're gonna go in with our concealers. I have this MAC Studio Fix 24-hour smooth wear concealer in the shade NW40. So I think my other one is like NC something. Yeah, there's a little light. There's a little light. What is it? We're gonna put it in the inside. Oh, child. It look lighter than the NC. Then we're going to take 44Y by Sephora, best skin ever. These are now 30% off. You might want to grab one while you can grab one. Cause I grabbed me one. I'm gonna take a different one because I feel like this is entirely too light. This is a good brightening concealer, but I don't know if I necessarily want that on my forehead and stuff. So I'm gonna take Butterscotch by Too Faced. It's kind of like in between both of these colors. Your foundation goes everywhere else. So I want to put a little bit of foundation, but I don't want to put too much because I kind of want to wait. And I kind of want to blend everything out and then go from there. But that ain't how it works. Well, it goes however we say it goes, huh? Here we're going to put foundation here. I don't know how people do this often. It drives me insane. Drives me crazy. Yeah, we're not doing that no more. I don't know how people do that. It makes a big old mess. So now what we're going to do is, because we've already blended out our bronzer, we're going to go ahead and blend out our concealer. And then we'll blend out the foundation, okay? Bro, I look crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, let's blend the foundation in with it so I don't keep looking crazy. Another thing, I don't like putting the foundation directly on my face because, girl, it'd be a lot. I don't want to use no lot of foundation if I don't have to. You know what I'm saying? And we're avoiding. Why do I look so crazy? And I hear that you can use less product doing this. I don't know about that part, but I can see it a little bit. I just probably used too much foundation. So I'm going to blend out my nose, and then we're going to contour my nose. I go trying to try different stuff, baby, and it's confusing me. How, Sway? It's because I don't use it often. I'm gonna warm my face up a little bit more because I feel like everything else is taking over. And that's not how it's supposed to be. And in these steps, you can actually put like liquid blush on too. And I'm just gonna take a concealer brush to carve out this nose. I try to start from the eyebrow down. And you trim your nose down how you like to trim your nose. Everybody don't have the same nose, and everybody nose ain't gonna look the same when they trimming it down. You get what I'm saying? Like, everybody nose ain't gonna be the same. I make sure the clown brush is washed, baby, but I ain't be trying to wash mine. But I need to cut that out, because it must break me out real quick. Humble me real fast, baby. I'm gonna take this side of the sponge and just blend it out. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty powder and Cherry Blossom. This is sold out on Sephora right now. I'm so sad because I can't get a backup during the sale. But if it come back in stock, baby, I'm buying it. I use Cherry Blossom every freaking day. It's quite ridiculous. Well, not every day. I say every day like I put makeup on every day. The way I use Cherry Blossom, like I do my makeup, every time I do my makeup, is quite insane. I just want to make sure this is blended out, because it's going to look crazy until it don't, okay? All right, and I'm going to I have two new MAC bronzers. I want to use these two. Let me see which one I want to use. This one is Matte Richer Golden. That's what that looks like in case you didn't see my haul on the blog. Make sure you're subscribed. And then we have Matte Rich Bossy. They had a nice little sale too. This one can do. Let's see what this one look like. Morphe M527 brush, OG, triple OG, double OG. So this one, yeah, both of them are matte. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty, y'all. That is pretty. I love a good bronzer. I got a bunch of them. I love, love, love a good bronzer. We're going to take the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. This is in the shade Mahogany. And we're just going to press that all over our face. Because I got to look like somebody filming this video, baby. Now, one thing I do want to do, I want to chisel out my cheeks a little bit. So we're going to do some reverse contouring. Y'all gotta get another one of these powders during the sale. Like, how y'all sold out during the sale? Because y'all knew everybody was gonna get it. Just a little bit, okay? I don't think I want to put anything under my eyes. That's the problem. But we are. I like this concealer, but baby, this is light. I didn't know NW, because I have NW40. I should have just got NW45. That's what I should have got, because this one is light. It's real light, but it ain't, like, it blended out real good. I'm going to take the shade New Year. Try not to poke myself in the eye, because y'all know how they go. I have a mascara from Kat Von D. I couldn't tell you where it is. It's new too. This is my Patrick Ta blush that I never use. That's why I only have one Patrick Ta blush, because there's nothing wrong with it. I feel like it's overpriced for no reason. I feel like MAC blushes do just as good, but maybe, I don't know. Let's take the Ambient Lighting Palette Volume 3 just to give us some glow. And I think that's it. I'm gonna do my lip, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I don't even know how I wanna do my lip. Let's use Trendsetter by Morphe. This is absolutely the creamiest lip liner. Brown lip liner. What is this one that I bought? Teaser. That's too neutral. This is the Locked Kiss Ink 24-Hour Lip Color by MAC. That's a cute nude. I bought this because of TikTok. This girl was doing like, she was doing like different looks. Like combos, lip combos. And I was like, oop, let me get that. This is a really nice nude. I got this lip color, Dazzle. This is a Dazzleglass and Dress to Dazzle. It's like a iridescent, like purpley color. See, these are what the Dazzleglass is, like the brushes. They used to be brushes. I feel like the cream sheens used to be brushes too, but oh, I like that. That is perfect. I really like this. That's my first time trying it. My first time trying a lot of this stuff, but this is nice. Okay. Okay, beauties, that's my finished look. How do we like it, girl? Yes, ma'am. It's giving what it's supposed to give or whatever. Whatever the kids be saying. But yeah, that's the finished look, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like the video, comment down below, as well as subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.